Today we're going to be trying to fix a leaking shower head. So I'm going to go inside the house and I'm going to show you guys where the valves are and how to replace them. And as you can see, it's dripping right up there. It's dripping even though she already cut it off. So these are the two valve knobs that you turn on and off. So as you can see, I cut the water off. So one of the first things you do before you changing these is we'll go and cut the water off. There should be two shut-off valves for the cold and hot water. So we'll go down, and they're normally located downstairs. So that's what we're gonna go do right now. Alright, so this is the basement, and there should be a water shut-off valve somewhere in here. Okay, so we're gonna follow this line. So it should be, we're gonna go locate the water. As you can see, water's connected to these pipes, and it seems like right here is where it meets up. You can follow the lines. That's probably going upstairs. So we're gonna come down in here. See, there's a valve right there, valve right here, and it looks like there's two valves down here. Just sorry about that, it's a little messy down here. It's just and it looks like right over here in this corner here there is a shut-off valve. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna turn it clockwise until you reach the bottom. That should be it. So what I checked was that these are the hot and cold, so it was still working while I still cut this off, the main one. So it looks like I'm gonna have to cut these two off over here. Alright, so I just came up from downstairs. So since the water's all cut off, test it and just see the water should be cut off. As you can see, it's cut off. It's still dripping just a little bit. So what we'll do is first we'll need to remove this handle knob, and then we'll proceed to going in. So you look around and you will find all the different screws here and there. For this one, this actually has the screw right in here. So I'll take this off. I'm gonna just make sure you place it down in a safe place that you won't drop it or you won't lose it. And as you can see, there's a screw right inside there. So I'm gonna get my screwdriver. And what we're gonna do, gonna have to remove this piece. Alright, so it looks like it's out now. You can see there's a piece in here. There's another piece here. We're removing that. And yeah. And just make sure you put this in a safe place, so you won't lose anything. Make sure you keep track of everything you have. I just lost the screw. Okay. And now we'll take off this part. And this part here, it is I think you have to unscrew these parts right here. It's a universal piece that could fit any size. As you can see, it's just going around this metal piece here to turn it off and on. So we'll take that off. This tool to get in here and to take off this piece. So you're gonna just twist it. Alright, so it looks like it's loose here. Alright, so I got this now, I got it off. Just make sure you have everything to the side. So the next thing is this piece here. You could take this part off here, the screw here, but I think this one you can just twist off because it is another screw part on this metal piece that's holding it on. So we'll take this off. Okay, so make sure you put this in a good place because you're gonna have to put it back on when we repair this piece. So right here, it looks like this is the problem. Whatever is involved is not shutting off the water all the way. So sometimes inside there's a rubber piece that shuts it off and on. So you're able to replace that piece, which is in the back. So we're gonna have to remove this. So I'm gonna use my tool. I have this tool here to take it off. As you can see, you can get this from Lowe's. I got this from Lowe's. I got it in a set. It was about $20. So different kind of sizes, indicating whether you have a bigger size or not. As you can see, this side, this is the 31 out of 32 size, and also on the other side is 29 out of 32. So we're gonna fit it on here. It fits around this right here. We're trying to fit it around here. Screw this out. We're gonna screw it counterclockwise. Yeah, it looks like it's turning off. Okay. Yeah. Just watch out. Sometimes the water just bursts out. Still pressure in there. And as you can see, it's out. Looks like it's pretty old, so it's totally time to replace it. So I'm gonna replace it. I bought these rubber washers, so I'm gonna replace it with that. So I was able to purchase these rubber this home washer assortment kit. Came with 42 pieces, so hopefully I'll match it up with one of the washers, and we'll put it onto the valve. Okay, so now we're gonna have to screw that screw out right there. It looks pretty eroded. I'll try to replace it maybe with another different newer screw. I'm just gonna keep on trying to twist it. As you can see, it's moving. Try and do it without stripping it. So kind of already stripped, pretty old screw. You can see the screw got it out. So this is the washer that's on there, and it looks pretty. It's pretty dented up and everything, so we're gonna replace it with a new one. Okay, so I got the screw out and I was able to replace it with, I have a bunch of them. Like I said, I bought the kit, so I was able to replace it with this piece. I already put everything back, as you can see. You just gotta make sure. I'm just gonna take this off again. I'll just test it and see if it works. But I'm gonna take this off and put it back. And yeah, so it pretty much was able to seal the problem, which was the leak. So as you can see, I'm gonna cut it on. You can see cuts on through the glass, and then I'm able to cut it off, and it's gonna stop leaking in a little bit. As you can see, it stopped pretty much, so that's a good sign. And that's pretty much it. You're gonna do that, and make sure you put everything back in. Make sure you twist this, try not to make it too tight. And also this piece helps adjust how easy it is to turn this. So you turn it counterclockwise to make it easier, and you tighten it clockwise to keep it in. Make sure it's in pretty good so it won't be just sliding around. So that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna put everything back, and I'll let you guys know when I'm done with the final product. like this. Just tight. Nice, pull it pretty tight. So then I'm gonna take my other piece right here. Make sure this is long. That's fine, so you can back in the last round. Also, I'll probably do that another time. Right now, step one. So straight. Okay, that's one. So now I'll put this back. Let's start back now. You see this? No, see this? Back. Screw. Make sure it's straight with this. As you can see, it cuts off pretty good. Alright, so that concludes today's video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and please also like the video. I really appreciate it. I'll be posting more videos soon, so stay tuned. And catch you on the next one.